Hi everyone. Now topic is lowest common multiple. Before class already I explained about the even numbers and odd numbers. Now this class we will discuss about lowest common multiple. What is the lowest common multiple? Before that, what is a multiple? Okay, first of all, lowest common multiple. It's the class for max. First, lowest common multiple. See, first multiple. Already before class I explained about multiple. One more time I will repeat now. Now what is a multiple means? Whenever we are producting two numbers, multiplying two numbers, we will get the product. That product whatever we got, that should be is a multiple. Okay. Now next one is, see, multiple example. 2 into 3 is a 6, 2 into 4 is a 8, 2 into 5 is a 10. See children, here we are multiplying with two numbers, we are multiplying, we will get the product. This product we will call is a multiple. Multiples what? Same repeating number. Repeating number is what? 2. This is the all the multiples of 2 we will say. Then 6, 8 and 10. This is the how to write the multiples. Next, one more example. Common multiple. What is the common multiple? Multiple. Right now it will be common multiple. Common multiple also I explained before class. One more time I am repeating. What is a common multiple? Suppose we are writing we have to write multiples of 4 and 5. First we will write the multiples of 4 and 5. What is that? I will say, see here, first whatever we have to write multiples of 4. See here, 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 4 into 3, 12, 4 into 4, 16, 4 into 5, 20, 4 into 6, 24, 4 into 7, 28, 4 into 8, 32, 4 into 9, 36, 4 into 10 is 40. These are all multiples of 4 we will say. Name multiples of 5. What is that? 5 into 5, 1, 5, 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 3, 15, 5 into 4, 20, 5 into 5, 25, 5 into 6, 30, 5 into 7, 35, 5 into 8, 40, 5 into 9, 45, 5 into 10, 50. If you need more, write. If you require means you can write more multiples. Till 10 only I wrote, 5 into 11, 5 into 12, 5 into 13. You can write it. If you want, write it more. Okay, now first these are all common number is 4. The with 4 we multiplied another numbers, we got the sum answer, we got the product. Whatever this product we will call is a multiples of common number. What is that? 4. Common number, what is that? 4. Now we will say it will be multiples of 4. We will say multiples of 4. Now I am writing here multiples of 4. What is that? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, like this. If you want, write it more. Next children, here common number is 5. Common number is 5. With 5 I multiplied another numbers. We got the product. That product we will say multiples of the common number. What is that? 5. Common number, what is that? 5. Now what you will say? The multiples of 5 are whatever we got the product, that we will say. Okay. Now what I am writing here, see, what is that? Multiples of 5. Okay, multiples of 5. I am writing here multiples of 5. Which ones we got? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, like that. 14, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. These are the multiples of 4. These are multiples of 5. Okay, children. I wrote what I wrote? Common multiples. Just I wrote multiples of 4. I wrote. Just I wrote multiples of 5. I wrote. The heading, what is there? Common multiples. This is leave it first. Multiples. First what is that? Multiples. Multiples I wrote. Second, what is that? Common. Where it is common? In the multiples, what are the commons are there? We can common numbers we can make. Which one is common? Here 20 is there. Here 20 is there. Even before any numbers are there, 4 not there, 8 not there, 12 not there, 16 not there, 20. 28. Next you got 24 is not there, 28 not there, 32 not there, 36 not there, 40. Then make it here 40. If more will come, if we will write, we will get the more multiples. See how 10 we wrote. In that common multiples what are there? Whatever we rounded, common multiples. Whatever we got, 20 and 40. See here 2 are there, 2 are there. 2, 20, 20, 40, 40. So make it here one time. Make it here, write it here one time. Common multiples over. Okay, first multiples over, next common multiples. Next it will be what? Lowest common multiple. So where we have to see that lowest common multiples means we have to go to only common multiples. See multiples, common multiples where we saw? In multiples we saw. Common multiples where we saw? In multiples we saw. Next, lowest, least, smaller number. Where it is? In the common multiples. Lowest, in the common, lowest means term we have to see in the common multiple. Where is the common multiple? Zero. Here common multiple. What are those? 20 and 40. 20 and 40. These two are the common multiples. These two are the common multiples. Isn't it clear? Now, in this lowest term, what is this? Lowest value. Which number is having lowest value in these two common multiples? Common multiples we will get. More only it will be, but I wrote only 2 sufficient, we require sufficient enough. Now it will be least value is what? 20 or 40 means it will be 20. Now it will be lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple is what? 20. Lowest common multiple by what? 20. See, lowest means L, common means C, M means M. Multiple means what? L, C, M. Is a what? 20. Okay? LCM is what? 20. This is the way we have to find the lowest common multiples. Okay, children? Thank you.